Got a user manual up top. These look like the base, some screw, and we got the component that look like the pillow. Pretty nice. And here is the chair. Another pillow. The armrest, bottom part. With the metal component. This is a sliding leg rest. Yeah. And then the seat mechanism. All in here. Alright, so here's everything that came in the box. Taken out. You got the feet down here with the base for the feet. That look like the backrest and also a massage. It has a USB port right now. Pillow. That's the leg rest. There's the bottom part. Here's the back part, and here's on the arm. One is labeled left and right, so I just left the one back left. The wheels are actually these little nicer wheels instead of the standard single wheel. So let's see how these work. There's 5 of them. And then everything's labeled here, and the user manual is pretty self-explanatory. Hey guys, it's JohnyTechReview, and I hope you guys are all doing well. So today I'm sitting in this gaming chair from a company called Douxlife, and they have sent me this unit about a month ago for me to take a look at it. So originally, I have a few gaming chair and I also have a few test chair in my house. I bought my older kit a gaming chair that is more, you know, the fake leather, the PU leather. And then so this company was asking me if I want to review it, and I look at it and I was like, oh, it's interesting. I haven't had a fabric gaming chair in a while. The only other chair I have is that fabric test chair over there. Was kind of big, and my kid, he is a little bit younger, so he's leaning back a lot and just has good lumbar supports. So I was like, let me take a look at this chair and see if it offers what I need. So from my perspective, first of all, to give you some stat, this chair is designed for about up to 350 pounds, and it is a soft fabric. Douche in French meaning soft and sweet, so I guess that's what this chair is meant for. It has an armrest here, lumbar support with the pillow, and then up top you have a neck support. And then of course it has a leg extension down here that you can pull out, and I'll show some video of those to put your feet on. From my perspective, as a person who is about 170 pounds and 5'10", this chair, as first impression, it seemed to be a bit small for me. So first of all, as you can see, I'm sitting here, and you can see here, here's the pillow and the neck pillow. I can pull it up. Again, I'm 5'10", my kid is about 4'8" or something like this, so give you an idea. So if this, it's okay, I still have a little bit of headroom. But if you're any bigger than me, this chair is not going to be comfortable for you. So I would say, even though it says a gaming chair, and it is a gaming chair from that perspective, aesthetic and design, it's definitely designed more for teenager and not really for an adult. Or anyone really bigger than 5'10", I would say. I'm hitting that limit, and if I put the footrest out, my foot kind of hang over. So my other kit chair, which I will show a quick clip of that also, has a bit taller what you call backrest, so that you can lean back. Again, this one is pretty comfortable, I would say. From a fabric perspective, I like this a lot better than the sticky you know, fake leather. But yeah, that's kind of the first impression. So what are some of the functionality of this chair? It has a lean back support from 90 degrees, which is where I am right now, to about 135. So let me see if I can find that lever. So here is the lever, and I can just pull it back and I can lean back. So this is from the maximum leaning that it will do, give you an idea. So this is actually pretty comfortable for me, and with the flip out feet, it's pretty cool. But my feet, again, it's a little bit long, so I think that it's hanging over a little bit. Now my kid, this is perfect for him. So again, I would say, if you're buying this for anyone higher than 5'10", not gonna work. Anyone smaller than that, it will be great. The pillows are these little, feel the soft cotton or fabric, whatever's inside. It's pretty comfortable, and the chair itself is really firm. And to me, that's a really good thing in these type of chairs. So there is also an adjustment, of course, for height and in general. No issues there either. From the installation perspective, this chair took us about 15-20 minutes. Instruction was relatively simple. Just gotta put the feet together, the wheels together, and then of course putting the armrest together, and then just mount the device together. From a support perspective, the lumbar is really good. Has this pillow here that you can take in and out. So for me, without a pillow, it's fine for leaning back, but if I'm sitting up, the pillow is really good. My kid also uses it with a pillow. He's relatively small, he's about 65 pounds. Headrest or head pillow, he does not like it, so he usually take it off. There's a little clip in the back that you can take it off. And so in case you want to use that or you don't want to use it, you can take it off. It also comes with a USB massage, so this lumbar chair here, and inside this thing there's a vibration motor. You can just plug it in and there's an on-off switch, and that will allow you to vibrate. And to me it's just kind of itchy and not really comfortable. The kid didn't like it either, so to me it's just a gimmick. A lot of the chair had this, including the other chair that I bought. I would say it's not really a massaging chair, it's just a vibrating thing. So if you care about that, that's cool. Here is the company logo. I think it looks really good and I like the design, very simple. The fabric, again, it's just soft material. It's almost like suede without the suede, what do you call, sticking out. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a pretty soft and pretty, I would say it's not plastic, right? It's has a good feeling. So more or less, that's so much about this chair. Takeaway is that it is a pretty nice, comfortable chair. Kid love it. Really comfortable. I would say easy to install. The wheels are really good too. It has a really nice wheel. The only downside I would say about this chair, from my perspective as a user who has a lot of these past chair, is that the armrest is not adjustable. It's kind of just right there, and that's the only level that you have it. Again, for my kid that was fine. For me, not so much. So for me, recommendation is that you can buy one of these for your kid or teenager, or if you're a small, I don't know, girls or small adult, less than 5'10", this will work for you. Also have a little pouch, put your phone in here. That's nice, but that's about it. So guys, that is my quick review of this Douxlife gaming chair. If you guys have any question, please feel free to leave in the comment box down below. Give it a thumb up, it would really help me, and subscribe for more future content. Thank you.